What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share something sweet because we all deserve a little sweetness in our life. Okay, so today I'm going to make this lemon coconut loaf cake. So right here I have all the ingredients. Now let's go through the dry ingredients first. You will need some all-purpose flour. You will need some shredded coconut. I'm using fresh coconut, but you can always use the store-bought. And if you're using the fresh coconut, make sure to cut off this part and only grate the white part. Okay? You will also need some brown sugar, flaxseed, and the flaxseed is going to be the egg replacer. You will need baking soda, baking powder, salt, and the zest of 2 lemons. Now for the wet ingredients, you will need coconut milk, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and unrefined coconut oil. Now the full list and measurements will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. So what you want to do first is to make the egg replacer, and in this case I'm using flaxseed. So right here I have 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 2.5 tablespoons of water. Now you just want to give this a quick mix and then set it to the side to rest for about 5 minutes. In that meantime, you want to go ahead and combine all the dry ingredients. Once you have combined the dry ingredients, set it to the side, and in a separate container, go ahead and combine the wet ingredients and the brown sugar. By now the flaxseed should be ready, so go ahead and add it to the wet ingredients and give it a good mix. Once you're done, combine the wet into the dry, give it a good mix, then add the lemon zest. Also, try not to overwork the batter too much. You just want to lightly mix this in, okay? Once you have combined everything, you should get a consistency like this. So the next step is to grease your baking pan and then add the batter. Once you've added the batter, you just want to give it a quick shake, and this is just to make sure that it's even. Exactly 45 minutes later, lemon coconut loaf cake is up and running. And as you can tell, it's fully baked. So what I'm going to do is to remove it from the baking pan and place it on a baking rack, and this is just to allow it to cool down a bit faster. Although it's a bit still hot, I cut it so you all could see what I'm working with. So I went ahead and cut it, and I also added some extra lemon zest. And let me tell you, there's just something about combining lemon with coconut. Oh my goodness, this tastes and smells amazing. As you can tell, it's moist as well. And you can also see the shredded coconut. My, this is good. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the love and support. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. And until next time, bless upon yourself.